Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have a hard time when it comes to doing your child's mixed hair? My daughter has mixed hair, and so we needed a kit that would really help me to be able to experiment and do everything that I needed. This 10-piece set from ZABOUL is an awesome set that really allows me to experiment and to practice and find the right brush for her hair. This set comes with 3 different large size brushes that really allow you to be able to experiment. The brushes are well made and they have lots of different features and designs that really differentiate them one from another so that you can really get in there and practice with her hair. It also comes with a spray bottle as well as a scalp massager, which she absolutely loves. I really like that they also included clips so that you can get pieces of the hair out of the way when needed. And they also included an edge brush so that you can take those fine baby hairs and make sure that they look really nice and neat as well. This set really has helped me a lot, and we found that we really love a couple of the brushes a lot. They really help a lot with her hair so that it can be smoother and very easy to detangle. If you have a child that has really tight curls, you know how difficult it can be to do their hair because they really don't want to cooperate. So having a brush set that really lets you have a little bit of everything that you need so that you can make them look a lot nicer and make their hair healthier, it is such a big help. This is an awesome set. It really has everything that you need, and the brushes are nice and well made as well so that you can do what you need to do to get that hair done. But that's my point of view.